Kia ora and good afternoon, everybody. We're gathered here today for this event, one that may go down in history of our nation as a remarkable achievement in the development of our Moana, our ocean. To His Excellency Sir Tom Masters and Lady Masters, to the Prime Minister, Honourable Mark Brown and your good wife, Cabinet Ministers, Government Caucus, to those from the opposition, heads of ministries, Crown servants, to the able Seabed Minerals Authority, to those who served ably in various capacities of the authority, kia ora to you all. Kia ora te aramana of Rarotonga and throughout the Cook Islands, the President and members of the Religious Advisory Council, to our people scattered throughout our nation, to our business sector, kia ora. Like Mike and Garth, I'm going to go back a few years. Some of you will remember the name of a gentleman, Mr. Tap Taylor Pryor, a marine biologist and former state of Hawaii senator who was heavily involved in aquaculture in Hawaii. Tap is best remembered here in the Cook Islands for his work as head of the Special Projects Division in the Prime Minister's office of the late Sir Geoffrey Henry. His particular interest, some would say obsession, was the potential benefits for the Cook Islands of the manganese nodule resource in the exclusive economic zone of our country. That was in the mid-1990s. And about that time, the United States Trade and Development Agency funded US dollars 300,000 for Bechtel to look at the very issues that face licensees today. Commercial viability and technical feasibility in the recovery and future use of the deep sea nodules. Our thanks to those pioneers who came here, lived here, for it is their groundwork which has brought us to the position we are in today, with actual licenses being issued to licensees who firmly believe that the resource can be and will be utilised to the benefit of all Cook Islanders. There is an important element to this which has evolved over the past 26 years, and that is the environment. You've heard each and every speaker talk about it, mention it. We hope that we have shown by the brief introduction you have just seen, and by the terms of our licence, which will be published, and by the laws and regulations of the Parliament of the Cook Islands and government have enacted, that the seabed and aquatic environment will be in the forefront and foremost in the minds of those managing Moana minerals. The Seabed Minerals Authority is to be congratulated on the thorough and sometimes gruelling scrutiny of applicants have gone through licences. I can assure you they are hard-earned, but the process followed is a credit and gives considerable credibility to the institutions involved in the decision-making process. Like the other licensees, our principal wish now to come and live with you. We have two of our major directors who will become residents of the Cook Islands once they get their business licence. They want to live within our community. They want to engage with the stakeholders. They will begin, and we recognise the imperative of transparency as a tool for building trust. We have an ambitious program over the next 5 years, and we plan to involve and bring on that journey as many Cook Islanders as we can. It's my privilege here today to convey a special thanks from Moana Minerals on behalf of the directors and the company to thank the Seabed Minerals Authority and the Government of the Cook Islands for having the faith in awarding a licence to not only ourselves, but the other two applicants as well. Today marks the end of the rehearsals and the beginning of the show. We hope our performance meets up to the country's and your expectations. Kia ora and kia manuia.